Hey everyone! Today I want to share something very close to my heart, the Feast of Sacrifice. This isn't just any holiday, it's a time filled with love, family, and deep-rooted traditions. Let's dive into the beautiful customs of this special time in Turkey. In Turkish,
Bayram,
means Eid or feast. It refers to major Islamic holidays celebrated in Turkey. There are two significant religious celebrations. The first is,
Ramazan Bayramı,
and the second is.
Kurban Bayramı.
Both are marked by various customs and traditions. The Feast of Sacrifice commemorates the story of Prophet Abraham, who showed his unwavering faith by being willing to sacrifice his son at God's command. In the end, God provided a ram to be sacrificed instead. This act symbolizes devotion, obedience, and the importance of faith in Islam. On the first day of the Feast of Sacrifice, families come together to perform the sacrifice, usually of a sheep, goat, or cow. This ritual begins with a prayer, and the animal is then sacrificed. The meat is divided into three parts, one for the family, one for friends and neighbors, and one for those in need. This practice not only fulfills a religious duty, but also strengthens communal bonds and ensures everyone shares in the blessings of the holiday. The essence of feast is also reflected in visiting loved ones. Families dress in their finest clothes and visit the homes of their elders, relatives, and friends, often bearing gifts like chocolates and sweets. This tradition strengthens community bonds and spreads joy. It is also customary to kiss the hands of elders as a sign of respect. Elders often respond with,
El öpenlerin çok olsun.
which means wishing that many will kiss your hand in respect as well. After kissing the hands of elders, children often receive small amounts of money as a gesture of good luck and blessing. This practice not only brings joy to the young ones, but also strengthens family bonds and continues the tradition of generosity and care within the family. Here are some phrases you can use to wish someone well during religious celebrations.
İyi bayramlar. İyi bayramlar. İyi bayramlar. Bayramınız mübarek olsun. Bayramınız mübarek olsun. Mutlu bayramlar. Mutlu bayramlar. Mutlu bayramlar.
I hope this gives you a deeper understanding of the Feast of Sacrifice and its significance in Turkish culture. Don't forget to use the Turkish phrases we've learned to greet your friends and family. Thank you for joining me today.
İyi bayramlar herkese.